Hi folks, back in January I did a little walk to SPAR video and I was really surprised how many views I got. Well, it's over 1,000 views anyway, and considering what a bland and boring video it was, which this one will probably be as well, I decided to do another one because we've come back. It's April now, and I just wanted to show you first of all this stunning beach at Costa Calma. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. It's 16th of April and there's not a single cloud in the sky. It's absolutely beautiful, turquoise waters, beautiful sandy beach, not very busy, and it looks amazing. So I'm going to do another walk to SPAR, but from the beach instead. So I'll just walk up here. I mean, we've really fallen in love with this place now because it's just so nice, so sunny. I mean, look at that sky. It's April. I come from England and it's certainly not like that here in April. So we're just walking up here now.
Hello.
Say hello, Lucy.
Hello, Lucy.
So yeah, we're walking up from the beach. Taking in the view. And what can I talk about to make this video more interesting? It's absolutely sweltering hot. Check that view out. It's really amazing. We're staying at the Crystal Beach again, and we got an upgrade this month to a sea view apartment, and we booked it through tui.co.uk, and it works out about 39 quid a night, half board, sorry, not full board. So definitely worth coming here if you need a break in the sun or to get some exercise like I clearly need. We've only been here 2 days and already we're getting a bit burnt,
Red,
aren't we? So literally this place here, I think it's called Calma, isn't it?
yes.
So the beach is just round there, down the bottom of the hill, and you walk up the hill like we just have, and literally you've got the SPAR in this little shopping centre here.
The other side's the other videos.
Yeah. So if you're staying at the well, we're staying at the Crystal Beach, but there's the Taro Beach, there's the Palace Hotel. The other one's called Fuerteventura Playa, and what was the other one?
Costa Calma Palace.
Costa Calma Palace. I said that one. What was the other one? The Monica Beach. And they're all bookable through TUI, so they better start giving me commission. And anyway, the SPAR that's here is the cheapest place in the area to get your bottled water and things, like I said last time. There aren't many shops in Costa Calma, but who needs shops? And then basically there's the SPAR. I don't know. Hello Sharon, if you're watching. And you JP. Great videos you guys do. And we've watched all of them. So should we go into SPAR then? Shall I leave it rolling? Why not? That's what Sharon does. Sharon does? So here we are in SPAR, where you can get some cheap stuff. You're supposed to say like and subscribe.
So if you like this video, like and subscribe underneath. Thanks for watching.